No, you're not making a mess.
I don't make messes.
Get out of the way! Dude, get out of the way!
What's up, bud? We need another plate.
Dude, pull up your pants. You, pull up your pants. Dude, no, gross.
They just need another plate.
They're ugly.
Probably ripped in the ass. Oh god. Oh god. How big do they get? I've never actually done this. They just
I don't know.
go. It's healthy.
Dude. Holy crap.
Does anyone else want to see this? That Pete has a mouth. Don't stop, dude. Put it in for the whole
No, let it keep going.
It's gonna swallow the microwave. It's a tube. Is that on video?
Yes.
Oh, what not to do with
face.
face.
It's a Peep face.
Dude, giant Peep face. Is it getting bigger still? It is.
Yes, it is. Dude, it's overflowing the plate. Look at it right
I
now.
am not touching that.
I will. Dude, that thing is awesome.
It's gonna pop.
No, it's eventually deflates itself.
And now we can microwave
Oh,
again!
come on. You got any more?
No.
That is non-microwavable.
Dude, did it stop yet?
Yeah. It's kind of deflating. Yeah.
It's smoking now.
Yeah, not touching that.
Now it's a problem. Believe it.
Dude,
Do not open that.